The best thing about being a trader is the massive amount of no, not the it's the freedom. It's the freedom. Again, I mentioned earlier about time versus money. It's really the freedom to make your own schedule. You know, I trade the hours that I trade because I want to. I'm not forced to. I don't have to report to a job every day. At the same time, I can kind of make my own schedule. Now, you do want to run your trading like a business. So you want to be consistent with when you're trading. But the point is, I trade from, like I said, I day trade from 8 o'clock to 11 o'clock, the New York time every day. After 11 o'clock, I can literally do whatever I want for the rest of the day. I have a trader friend out in the UK who literally, this is how his day goes. He'll set up his day. He'll wake up, he'll identify everything he needs to identify in order for his trading. Takes him maybe an hour or so. He spends the rest of the day either cruising around on a yacht or on the golf course. And while he's doing this, you know, he may check his phone a couple times a day, but he's making a massive income while enjoying his life. So it's the ability to do that. It's the ability to go to the wife and say, hey, you want to go out for dinner or lunch today? Sure. It's the ability to, you know, I've got a 11-month-old in the house. It's the ability to just, you know, hang out with him during the day and just, you know, and play a little bit. It's the ability, is that freedom of time. Because you know, you can always make money back. If I go broke, you can always find a way to make money back. You can get a job and just work more. The one thing you can't get back is time. You know, we all have a time limit, right? We expire at some point. So I'm always a big believer is you want to make the most out of your time. And I refuse to, you know, spend my life, you know, just working the entire time and looking back and say, oh, I wish I could have done this. I wish I could have done that. With trading, I can do that. Even if I'm on the road, I can, you know, internet connection, a computer, I can hook it up and trade from, you know, out in California or something like that. So it's that flexibility and that freedom of time is which I enjoy most about trading. I would say the worst thing is that you're accountable. You're accountable for yourself. There's no boss to tell you, hey, you're doing good, you're doing bad. You're your own boss. And it's very frustrating when the market doesn't go your way. It's very hard to, you know, trade for, you know, take 5 losing trades in a row and then tell yourself, hey, I've got to take number 6. It's dealing with drawdowns is hard. No one likes losing money. It hurts a lot. And that's, you know, the worst part is dealing with that, going through those time periods where you're just constantly losing money. And, you know, it's really out of your control. You know, we don't control what the market does. The market's out there to hurt as many people as possible. We have no control over that. And it's tough not to have that control. It's tough to be 100% right in your analysis, do everything you were supposed to do, and then still see it not come out the way you wanted it to. And that hurts a lot. And it's tough to overcome.
Position size small. Learn how to make money with a small position size and a small account size. Because if you scale up, it's not going to make anything better if you don't know how to make money with a small amount of money first. So I would say keep your position size small. Learn how to ride before you take the wheel.